With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question is, you have to match each of the diatomic molecule in column 1 with its property or properties in column 2. So this means that the column 1 can match with one or more things present in column 2. Okay. Now, if you look at the option A here, which is B2, right? So if we talk about B2, so let us first write down its electronic configuration with in reference to MOT. This will be sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2. Now B2 means 10 electrons, right? B2 means a total of 10 electrons. So this is sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, right? Sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, right? Then we have pi 2py, pi 2px, so 1 and 1. So this is the electronic configuration. So as the electron is unpaired here, this is paramagnetic, which means that A matches with P. Now, if you talk about the bond order, now what will be the bond order in B2? The number of bonding electrons minus the number of anti-bonding. Bonding are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 minus 4 divided by 2. So the bond order will become 1, right? So therefore it cannot match with S, right? And if you talk about the bond that is formed here, it is formed by the mixing of S and P orbitals, right? So it means that it matches with T also. And B2 can undergo both oxidation as well as reduction, right? B2 can react with oxygen to form B2O3, right? And it can also undergo reduction with H2 to form B2H6, right? So therefore, it undergoes oxidation and reduction also. So it matches with P, Q, R, and T. So this is the match for A. Okay. Now let us move to B, which is N2. Now N2 has how many electrons? 7 plus 7, 14 electrons, right? So if you write down its configuration, this will be sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2. Then we have pi 2py here, pi 2px here, right? This will be again 2 and 2. So how many electrons have we filled right now? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, right? And then we have how many more electrons are left? Okay, in N2, we also have a sigma 2pz2 here, right? So now the electrons are complete. If you talk about the bond order, that will be bonding minus anti-bonding. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 bonding minus 4 anti-bonding divided by 2. So this becomes 3, right? The bond order becomes 3. So, and also if you talk about oxidation and reduction, then it undergoes both, right? N2 can undergo oxidation to form NO, right? And it can also undergo reduction with H2 in the presence of a catalyst and lead to the formation of NH3, right? So this can also happen, which means that your B can match with Q, R, S, and T, right? It can match with Q, R, S, and T. It means that mixing of S and P orbital is going to take place. It is going to take place in the case of A also, right? And the bond order is also greater than or equal to 2. So, and also it is diamagnetic because all the electrons are paired. So this is the match for B. Okay. Now coming on to C here. Now if we come on to C, now in C we have O2 minus. So what is the electronic configuration of O2 minus? Sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, right? Then we have sigma 2pz2. Then we have pi 2py, pi 2px, 2 and 2, right? And then we have pi star 2py, okay? Then pi star 2px and sigma star 2pz. So how many electrons we have filled? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15 and 16. But we have a total of 17 electrons here. So this will be 1, and here we will be having, or you can say this will be 2 and 1. If you're filling X first, then this will be 2 and 1, or if you're filling Y first, then it will be 2 and 1 there. Right, so this is the electronic configuration. What will be the bond order? The bond order will come out to be 1.5 because the bonding electrons are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the rest are anti-bonding. Divided by 2 will give you 1.5. It is paramagnetic because there's an unpaired electron present here, right? And it can undergo oxidation and reduction both, which means that your C matches with P, Q, and R, right? It will match with P, Q, and R. It can undergo oxidation reduction both. Bond order is less than 2, so that it cannot match with that. And it matches with R, right? It matches with R, which is it undergoes reduction. Now, if you talk about D part, which is the last part, which has O2. Now, the O2 is going to have the similar configuration. The only difference is that one electron will be less, so the configuration will differ only at this place. And this will become pi star 2py1, and this will become pi star 2py1. So this will be the only difference in the configuration, right? And therefore the bond order will now become 2, right? And this is still unpaired, right? It is still unpaired. It means that it is still a paramagnetic. Okay, it is still paramagnetic, and also it undergoes oxidation reduction both, which means that your D matches with P, Q, R, and S. Okay. So therefore, these are the correct matches. That's all for the question.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.